Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, we have a very unassuming, already kind of open, because I undid the tape, Colourpop mystery box. So if you want to see what is in said mystery box, then let's get on into it. This is the spring mystery box, and let me go to their website just to double check all the things. Should have done that prior. But I did get a free gift that just got added to my order when I made my order. And then I also, for an extra $10, got a free full-size mystery item. So I'll have two extra items for, well, not for free. One is for free. Let's see. What are the details on the mystery box? I don't care about the Little Mermaid. The Spring Reset. It's $49, and it says that you'll get free shipping and a free mystery gift if you add it to your cart. So I spent, so it was 58 bucks, because like I said, I also added that extra full-size mystery item. So it says we're gonna get 9 full-size items, so I should have 11 in here, because we have the free gift plus the extra. Should be worth over $100, and that is that. Get out of there. So I should have 11 items in here. Let's see. When you open it up, it is just in bubble wrap. And I'm seeing lots and lots and lots of goodies. So let me just set this down here, and we'll just start pulling stuff out. Now, I don't know what the free gift is, and I don't know what my extra item is, so we're just gonna pull things out, and I should have 11 items. The first thing I'm pulling out is from Fourth Ray Beauty, and this is the Strawberry Face Milk. It's comforting and moisture boosting. Okay. I've never used a face milk, but this is what she looks like. Ooh, smells like Play-Doh. Let's see the texture. It's a thicker texture. How do you use this? A comforting drop of moisture to nurture skin, formulated with strawberry seed oil, marshmallow, and lotus flower. It'll supplement and condition the skin for softer, healthy-looking complexion. Use as needed. Okay. So that went in really nicely. I hate the scent of it because it smells like bad Play-Doh. But, okay. I'm not horribly mad at it. Wish it smelled like strawberries, but I will use it. I will use it and not be mad. Let's look at this. What are you? I'm pulling out the bubble wrap first. This is a light stick, and it is in the shade Sunlight, which mine looks like it is fully repelled here. Yup, and mine completely came out. So let me try to get this guy back in here. So we love to see that, which I should have gotten out a makeup wipe. I did not. But that's the color. I'll add some more on. Hang on. Let me adjust my life over here. Ooh, I'm already seeing some other goodies. Let's see. Does it work now, though? I don't want to roll it up crazy. That's pretty. That is pretty. It's more gold than I would probably prefer, but she's mine now, and yeah. I don't think I've used a light stick from Colourpop. Maybe I have, but I don't really remember. I'm going to save the palette for last. Let's go with these guys. So we got a Fresh Kiss lip scrub in Vanilla Cake. I don't really use lip scrubs, but I will try to remember to use this because why not? Let's see. Oh. Smells delicious. It does smell like confetti cake. That just doesn't look very scrubby. Yeah, that's not very scrubby. It feels more like a lip balm. Gently massage a small amount onto clean, dry lips and then rinse or wipe off. Okay. And then we also got in Vanilla Cake the lip mask, which I'm assuming this smells the exact same. Yeah, smells like confetti cake. Now, what's the texture of this? Ooh, that's a nice texture. That feels delicious. I'm not a huge fan of lip masks either, but again, I will try it. I will see. And then we also got a lip mask in orange vanilla. I am a whore for orange scents. So I don't smell anything. Well, that's depressing. I was excited. I don't think we needed 2 lip masks. I think just like the one little set would have been enough. But that's just me. I might keep one of these and put it in my giveaway. I might put this orange vanilla one in my giveaway drawer, but for now we'll just leave it out. What else do we got? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I do have 11 items, so that's good. What's this? This is a Colourpop liquid liner. Now this I'm not going to swatch. This I'm going to put directly into my giveaway pile because I just don't use liquid liner, and this is in a red. It's in the shade Try Me. So it's this deep red color, and I don't use red liner either. I have tried. So not even gonna open that. That is going to go right back into its little box, and I'm gonna throw that into my giveaway drawer. We got a liquid blush in the shade Wildest Dreams. I've never tried their liquid blush, but wow, that is intense. So it's just like the Rare Beauty ones. No scent. I like the little heart packaging. That is cute. That is pretty, but intense. Wow. Yeah. Wow. That'll be fun to try and use. So I'm going to put those in the giveaway. I've touched all of that, so I'm keeping all of that. What do we got here? A Fresh Kiss Glossy Lip Balm in Mango Sorbet. How many lip balm type things could they give us? My goodness. Now see, this is more up my alley than like the lip masks. I'm gonna throw this one in my giveaway. I put it back in its box because I didn't touch that one. It's a little hard to squeeze out of its container. Ooh, so it's just got like a hint of pink, as you can see, but that smells like mango, and I don't even like mango, honestly, but that smells really good, and I am excited about that. I'm way more excited about that than I am the lip balm and lip scrub. I honestly wish we would have just gotten more of these than the lip mask and lip scrub. So, but that's just me. We got one of their Cloud Whip lipsticks. It's the blurring lipstick. This is in the shade Candy Floss. This looks stunning. I don't care about ripping the packaging because I'm keeping this. I'm keeping both of these next products. This is beautiful. So this is the packaging. Just a flat applicator. Oh, that's beautiful. Just a nude. Smells kind of like vanilla. That's beautiful. That is gorgeous. Love that. Could have done with more lipsticks. And then we also have one of their glossy lip stains, the Hydra Pops, and this is in the shade Fruit Punch, which I don't own any lip stains. So I'm very excited. The shade is a little intimidating. I love the heart packaging. But yeah, the shade's a little intimidating. Smells kind of like alcohol, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna swatch this over here. Well, the shade's actually a lot prettier than it looked. So it is glossy. Oh, and that stains immediately. It leaves behind some sort of stain. That'll be so fun to play with because I've never used a stain before on my lips. So that's exciting. And last but not least, we got our palette, which I've had this palette before, but in the old packaging. It's the Blue Moon palette, and I don't really have a lot of blue in my collection, so part of me says that I shouldn't keep this, but it's so pretty. I loved this palette so much. I had Pan in this shade Fine China. This palette is gorgeous. How often am I gonna reach for it, you know? But it would be nice to just have some blues for when I want some blues. It is beautiful, and I remember how much I loved it. So I'm on the fence about if I should keep this or not. So I'm not going to touch it because I don't know if I want to keep it, but I'm keeping all of the other things. I feel like I have to keep this because it's just part of the packaging. Otherwise, all I'm keeping are lip products and a blush and the stupid highlighter. I don't know. I don't think this was that exciting, to be honest. I think they could have done a little bit better. I am only getting rid of 2 things as of right now, just because I don't need a secondary lip mask, especially one that doesn't have that big of a scent, and I don't need a liquid eyeliner. We're debating on the palette, but I'm keeping everything else. It wasn't that bad, but I feel like I would have preferred just taking $50 and getting Colourpop products I wanted. That's the risk you take when you get a mystery box. But I am very excited for these 4 products. The lip stain, the Cloud Whip, the mango lip balm, and the blush. I'm very excited for those. To be determined. We'll see. If I can get over the scent, I will like it. And these Fresh Kiss guys, love the scent, but we'll see if practicality if I actually use them. That is the big to-do. If not, they will go to a friend because I touched them. So that is going to do it for my Colourpop mystery box, plus my extra items. Like I said, don't know what the extra items were, but that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.